Elliott wave. It is a theory that suggests that market tends to move in a series of 5 waves before reversing and forming another set of waves in the opposite direction. By understanding the Elliott wave sequence, traders can predict where the price is heading by following the pattern. In a chart, we can label each point of the waves as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. Now, there are specific rules to ensure that a movement is considered as a valid Elliott wave. First, wave 2 cannot be longer than wave 1 and usually pulls back to the 0.618 Fibonacci level. Second, wave 3 must be the longest wave amongst wave 1, 3, and 5. Third, wave 4 must remain above the peak of wave 1 and usually pulls back to the 0.382 Fibonacci level. So here's an example of the Elliott wave in action. In this chart, we can see that the price resembles a possible 1, 2, 3 Elliott wave. And so, based on the theory of wave 4, which is that price tends to pull back to the 0.382 Fibonacci level before continuing upwards, we can use this as a potential buy entry when price makes a pullback.